I want to show you something that will change the way you think about home heating. I am talking about the Toyotomi HC-190 Heat Convector. The HC-190 gives you precise, quiet control over your home's comfort, from the temperature you set to the speed it delivers heat. A lot of homeowners are stuck with a heating system that just cannot keep up. There has to be a better way, because your family deserves to come home to warmth, not a thermostat battle and cold corners. The Toyotomi HC-190 is one unit that replaces up to 37 feet of baseboard heating. That means less clutter and more wall space. Heat that works quietly in the background, so you can focus on what actually matters. The kind of comfort that lets your kids do homework on the floor and your family gather without grabbing a blanket. The HC-190 connects directly to your existing boiler system and takes over zone control. No other convector does this. This is not just the heater. It is peace of mind through every cold month for years to come. The best heating system is one you never have to think about. It just works, season after season. The HC-190 automatically scales its output to match your boiler's water temperature, delivering the most heat your system can provide. At Rural Energy, we stock the HC-190, along with the parts, accessories, and local expertise to back it up. Whether it is a bedroom, a cabin, a garage, or a workshop, the HC-190 is there when it matters most. Built around a hot water heat exchanger with no electric elements to burn out, the HC-190 is engineered for long-term reliability. If you are ready to upgrade your heating and leave those old baseboards behind, come see us at Rural Energy. We will help you find the right solution. Visit us at www.ruralenergy.com. Rural Energy. Live life warm.